No, it's Dodo. It's Dodo.
It's what? What?
I know it's you. I know you know what was the outfit. I am. I could be Dodo. I could just be Dodo. I could just be Dodo and chicken.
Just started.
I could be Dodo. I could be Dodo at any time.
Blue, turn on your amplifier.
Can you put dueling, Dodo?
Dueling. I could be Dodo at any time. I could
Is there Dodo?
Can you put it on?
I could be a Dodo at any time. You lose.
I'm your earthquake.
Earthquake? Why did you do an earthquake?
Oh, what? Kind of explain
Die!
What is going on?
Yeah.
Everyone say. Oh my god, 2 people already?
Clever Goose, that's why.
Barlog, I know it's you. Barlog,
Bumble clap.
What do you want? Barlog, you already exposed yourself.
What do you mean?
Barlog.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. The way you said that.
Sorry. Let's run by. Let's run by, guys. Let's run by, guys.
I'm the Goose.
Yeah,
Okay, bye.
You're the 11 rolls to get out.
I'm the normal Goose.
Whoa! Get out here, man.
Of course he is.
I'm actually
Of course you Dodo. Of course.
Oh, man.
No swearing, buddy.
No.